Yes, mga kaibigan, kasalukuyan po tayong maglalaba. Yeah, for the first time din po, kasama po natin siya.
What was?
So we are now here at Monterey Express. Hey, laundry room with the mom and the pops.
Hey, YouTubers.
Here, only here at Monterey Express Laundry.
Hey, we're gonna show you how to do laundry.
Tagal na baka may tao sa loob. Okay, dahil may tao, patayin muna natin. Ay, hello po. So we are now at Monterey, here at the Pacific Road. Monterey mo yan.
There's a nice rock over there. Oh,
Ah, where?
Way out there.
yeah.
Which one, ma'am? Daming. Tatlo-tatlo pa yung damit ko.
Oh, nice. Cold.
Yeah. When I win the lottery, I'll
Super dry.
totally buy a house here.
Umaasa pong mananalo sa lottery, mga kaibigan.
Yeah, we will buy a house, Papa.
Ganda ng jacket mo, ah.
Correct.
Parang akin yan. Hindi na napabalik. Guys, nakikita nyo na ang bahay ni Kuya. Ma, paano ba ito? Ito na yung PBB house.
Akin yung
Ito
isa
na yung...
nasa gitna.
Ay, bakit kasama ka sa PBB house? Dapat ihahatid mo ko ngayon, hindi ko kasama sa PBB. Kasama pala siya sa bahay ni Kuya. Parang naunahan pa ako. Ma'am, this is it. Akala mo talaga nananaginip.
Your dream.
Hindi ah. PBB house yan. Kulay dilaw eh, kaparehas ng bahay ni Kuya.
Eh, ganyan ba?
Parang ganyan, pero isang ano lang. Siyempre nasa Monterey tayo. So nice yun yun. Parang ano siya, peaceful, quiet place. Talaga namang malapit sa dagat. Malamig ang weather. Malamig ang weather kahit saan ka naman malamig naman talaga sa Cali. Kanina mainit, di ba? And then ngayong paggabi na, malapit kami sa dagat. Lamig na.
May app.
Iba talaga yung weather
lalakad
dito.
na naman.
Oh, you forgot to turn on your app again.
Yeah. Lalakad na naman. Ang hirap. Yan.
Ano po naiisip nyo ngayon, ma'am?
Nice view kasi.
Parang may matinding pinagdadaanan ah.
Mr. Pacquiao, tell us about your childhood here. Growing up.
Medyo mahirap po dito eh. Hindi pala ganun si Pacquiao, parang si Coach Pedro siya tayong ginagaya ko.
The coach made me train on these rocks.
Ito po ang totoong Manny Pacquiao. Sure na Manny Pacquiao.
Lion. Where is the lion?
Maybe lion, maybe tiger.
Yeah, maybe tiger.
Just like the nose right here.
Nawala na.
What is your impression, ma'am, of Monterey?
That's so nice. Very quiet place.
You don't hear cockfighting?
No,
Chickens? No dogs?
I like it.
No car alarms?
No.
No gunshots? No karaoke?
Oh! Ito na po si lion. Papa! There is a sea lion.
How come the boat?
Hindi ako yung sila.
Are you shaking this thing? It feels like shaking. Do you feel it?
Hindi po ako yung silayan, mga kaibigan.
Maybe because Basus Club.
Sea lion, more like
Oh, that's why.
jungle monkey, not sea lion.
Yeah.
With his blonde hair.
Hindi lang pala ako, not me, not only me. We have another sea lion right there. Mga dapa pa. I see it. You know. Sa lukuyang kung tumatawid ngayon ang kasama nating long-legged. Paano yung ahat?
That's a seal, not a sea otter or a sea otter.
Kala mo kung ano. O danda, o teka lang. Mababangasa ng aming nurse. Pakayod pa yan. Yun pala.
Padre.
They lay upside down like a sea eagle.
Sea eagle. Sea lion.
Seagull.
Sigo. Wala, medyo ano? Medyo na-disappoint ka ba? Wala ka nakita ng lion? Wala.
Zebra.
Sea zebra.
Kinabahan. Kinabahan. Oh, speaker to.
Hanggang dito na ito.
Travis Point.
Wow, I like that. Not the baboon, is it? Lady Godiva. We're in Carmel by the Sea.
Carmel by the Sea. Long sea. Puro Italian restaurant to.
Oh, that looks nice.
They all have outdoor dining. Kasalukuyan po tayo na mga problema. Dahil wala kami makainan dahil kailangan ng reservation sa lahat ng mga restaurant dito. Alam niyo naman, hindi lang kami nakapunta dito.
We don't belong.
Yeah, parang hindi kami belong sa lugar na ito. Hindi ngayon lang kasi kami nakapunta and then we're...
It's like Beverly Hills here. It's so expensive. Yeah. We see people like movie stars with high heels and
Okay.
They really wear nice clothes.
they're like, I feel like we're the workers in the kitchen.
Okay.
I'm wearing running rubber shoes with my old shirt.
Hindi kasi kami nakapag-ready. Akala namin magbe-beach lang tapos kain na pala kami. So ayun na nga. Pumunta kami dito ng walang reservation. Hindi mo lang kami nag-search. Ito to ang nangyari. Dito kami nabagsak.
Even he talked about the glass. It's like, sir, this is handmade glass made in Mexico, made by hand. It makes it more worth. Now I'm afraid to drink. Maybe break it.
He brought a lot of chips.
Are we allowed to eat the chip?
Yeah, you are.
You better
Yeah.
ask the waiter, are we allowed, sir?
Ayan. Kanina pa kami hanap ng makakainan. Lahat sila kailangan ng reservation. Kasi ito palang lugar na ito talaga namang napaka-high-end, ano?
How do you feel, poor?
Tapos si Mama, naka-jacket lang.
Maybe we have to wash the dishes after.
I feel
Oh,
like
handa na ba kayong magugas mamaya?
I told him, I said, put on a nice shirt, maybe.
para sinuot mo si ano. You wanna eat something different from Hawaii.
Balik kasi may mga pinuntahan kami kanina na mga kainan. Yun yung gusto talaga namin. We don't care naman sa price, pero yun yung gusto namin. Kaso nga lang, kailangan talaga ng reservation. Hindi kami ready doon.
It's Wednesday night. I don't think we need reservation.
Yeah.
Wednesday night during pandemic.
Kasi yung mga prices nila almost the same as Hawaii lang. Or minsan over pa, di ba? Ito naman more than.
More than the price of Hawaii.
Ma says she's happy that I'm here because I'm the white guy. Maybe they don't let you in.
Ay hindi, makapasokin to. You have to wear your jacket para mukha tayong ano dito. Kagalang-galang naman.
Hold on, let everybody.
Ay, pakit ano yan? Ay. Pinakita yung bro.
Let everybody see.
Yeah,
Hold on, one more time.
They saw
I'll
it,
put
they saw it.
I'm missing something. Where's my
Wallet. Your wallet empty.
where's my wallet?
Oh shit, you don't have
Here
your
under
wallet?
the Karl Lagerfeld logo.
Yeah, that's better. Who is she?
I'm taking my housekeeper out for a treat for her birthday. My Mexican servant. Señorita, you are happy?
See?
See ya.
Senor.
Once a year, I bring my housemaid out or my servant out on their birthday.
Yeah, no love tonight.
Ayun, dahil dyan, walang love tonight ha. May unan sa gitna mamaya. Put pillow in the middle.
Loved up tonight. You're in the bedroom anyway. No loved up 3 weeks.
3 weeks na since nagsimula yung travel namin. No love love. Hindi pwede. Kaunting kaluskos ay talaga namang maririnig natin mga kababayan. Kung makikita nyo rin ngayon, binigyan tayo ng beer. Alam nyo kung paano?
Breed Filipino, so?
Nung umorder ng beer, sabi ni Papa na 2 beer darling. Order siya. Tapos kanina pa tingin sa akin yung waiter, sabi daw. Pag tinitingnan ako ganyan, nakamask kasi ako. Tapos nilalakihan ko yung mata ko, ginagawa ko. Nilalaki ko ang ganun. Kasi nga, mukha akong bata. Eh yun nga, tapos maya-maya nung o-order na, sabi ng waiter, Sir, can I see your ID please? Ayun na, doon na nagkandaleche.
I hope it's big one, not
Pero nagawa naman ng paraan, buti may Philippine ID ako and naniwala kay Papa na 21 na ako.
So what Christian is experiencing is white privilege. He's not white, but I am, and he's with me in the rich white part of America. So I vouch for him. The guy's like, yeah, okay, I believe you. But it wouldn't happen if we were in another, and it hasn't happened in other places.
They don't believe us sometimes.
But this is, you know, the Beverly Hills area, and I'm a white guy in a nice leather jacket. I say, he's 21.
Yeah.
And they don't want to make problem. It's like in,
White privilege card.
yeah.
Good morning everyone. We are now at the old Fisherman's Wharf right here. Pero in here it's less crowded.
Monterey's earliest pier, stone built 1846 originally.
Yeah.
Oh, very
No mask.
strict, very strict.
No mask, no mask. Fine,
No
$1.
No money, no mask.
$100.
Huh. Kind of corny right now with the Easter decorations, but
Advance. Advance celebration.
But you notice it's a lot different than San Francisco's corny, foresty thing. We're here on a mission to look for the whale boat because I'm not paying online processing fees. I'm very karipod.
$15. We're gonna have an emergency situation.
Uh-oh. Why you don't teach him to tie his shoes when he was young? That's an example of the mother being overseas. And he wears only slippers for...
What's this? Other clothes. Or is it
restaurants.
too early?
Restaurants with grease and shit everywhere.
Pirates.
There's one. This is where we would pick up the boat, and there's another one over there.
Dahil napakainit po, it's really hot in here.
Ask Mana, what's happening?
It's too hot to walk.
But it's only 10 o'clock.
Yeah.
It's March.
Tirik ang araw.
I might even need to wear shorts.
Yeah, I know. Me too.
Let's change.
But yeah, why you dress with a hoodie like you're going into the snow?
I thought it's cold.
And you wear winter
No,
jacket.
but I wore the winter jacket.
This is every time we go here on vacation, we bring Hawaii weather. It's March 31st and 10 a.m. and it's so hot.
Hotel.
She told me, she said, Gano, brown sugar melts in the hot sun.
Yo.